No, hey.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir,
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'll put that
Hold on.
here.
Take the bag off.
Yes, it's on the bicycle.
Take the bag off.
1909, Timothy Park.
Take the bag off.
Really, sir? Really? Yo, that's not his bike, man. Can y'all please call Bike to Athens? Dude, really?
On the 16th of April 2025, an Athens, Georgia officer arrested a man for criminal attempt to commit theft and larceny by fraud after finding him attempting to unlock a bicycle he claimed was his. This encounter activates 4 distinct legal frameworks. First, the initial contact. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, an investigatory stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion. Under Alabama v. White, 1990, a tip from an eyewitness who personally observed the conduct carries significantly elevated reliability well above the minimum threshold. The initial contact was constitutionally sound. Second, the probable cause foundation. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983, probable cause is assessed under the totality of circumstances. 4 independent elements combined. The eyewitness tip, the subject's presence at the bike attempting the combination, his failure to unlock a bicycle he claimed was his, and the actual owner's on-camera demonstration of locking and unlocking the same bike. That totality satisfied the probable cause threshold. The officer's decision to videotape the owner's demonstration twice is a tactically precise evidentiary decision that anchors the entire arrest.
What are you doing, sir?
Yeah, I used to come around there, then I thought I remembered it. So I left my bike up here. It was like 10 months it was left up here.
10 months?
Walking up the hill, and I like pushed it over here and I put the chain on it.
Okay.
The code is right here. That's the code. I got it from Bike to Athens. But it's like been here for a while. And like when I came back, I told somebody here that I had the chain on it, and I left it here the previous night. And I told them the code and all that in case they needed to move it or whatever. And then like a week or something had passed by, and I like, damn, it wasn't right here no more. I guess they moved it or something. I got locked up or whatever, but it's been like a long time. But this is my bike. And I'm trying to put the code in, it's like not working. So I was finna go around to the rent office. They just told me where it had moved, like out the neighborhood, in the other neighborhood.
Okay. Do you have any pictures of you with this bike by chance?
I talked to the maintenance guy. Like, he knows.
He knows?
Yeah. I forget his name. Like,
what's your name, man?
Timothy Parks.
Timothy Parks? Mm-hmm. Do you live here?
No.
So you park?
I was walking up the hill.
Okay.
And I was like, man, I'm tired of pushing the bike. So I pushed it in the neighborhood and I put the chain on.
How long ago was that?
No. Maybe like over a year.
Over a year ago.
A year and a half.
When's your birthday, Mr. Parks?
November 8th, 1983.
Central. Timothy Parks, November 8th, 1983. So you parked this bike here a year ago.
Like 10 months ago.
10 months ago.
10 months ago.
Maybe.
So
or longer.
Why'd you park it here?
Because I didn't want to push it up the hill. Like I was walking up the hill with somebody, and they were running.
And
I was tired.
You just never came back and got it for some reason?
Like the next day is when I let somebody move. I told them I had I gave them the chain number and everything.
Good.
Yep, I gave them the code to it.
Somebody.
And then it like got moved,
Okay.
After that next day, when I gave them the code, a couple of days went by because I guess I stay on the other side of town, or I was like in the tent, there. Didn't come back by here. That's what it was. I missed like 3 or 4 days coming by here, and then when I came back, I forgot to look, but it wasn't here anyways. Because I usually was like.
You said November 8th, 1983.
And yeah, I talked to the maintenance guy. He was like, yep, you right.
When did you talk to the maintenance guy?
Earlier today, maybe 2 hours ago.
What's the maintenance guy look like?
It's an African-American gentleman. Dropped a white truck, the van.
Okay.
And he told me, he said, huh?
You said that the code was on the bike?
It's it right here. I got it from Bike Act.
I don't believe that's the code that's wrong.
It's 1901. Well, I put 0919 in there. No, it's up there.
And where do you stay at?
My mom stayed at College Road.
Where do you stay at?
I kind of stay with her too, you know, but I'm really home.
You say, so you stay at College Park and you're home?
No, it's called University Common. That's where my mom stayed.
Okay, where's that at?
There for a couple of nights, like behind McDonald's on West Park.
Okay.
So I got the bike from Bike at Athens though.
Okay.
Like when I first got the bike, I was just out here intent, you know.
How much was the bike when you got it?
I got it from Bike at Athens.
For how much?
It's free.
For free.
From Bike at Athens, come with the exact same chain and everything.
How'd you get the bike for free?
They donate bikes to people.
They do?
Yeah, Bike at Athens.
So this bike has been sitting here for 10 months.
Longer.
Why did you just not come back and get it? It was yours.
I didn't see it. Like I haven't saw it.
But you said you left it here.
Yeah. I mean, I haven't seen it. I forgot about it. I got another bike. And it popped up. So, and it hit me, you know, I remember. And so I come in and ask the lady guy, he was like, yeah, you know, this bike been sitting 10, 11 months. You know what I'm saying? That's what he said.
Do you have a phone number for maintenance out here at Newberry?
Y'all can go pop the thing for me, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's been sitting so long, you know, and I know they got the code, they probably been moving it and whatnot. Like how you got like make the chain twist itself or whatever. After you put the code in. Before too. Like chain, I put the right code in there. It's like, why ain't no come loose? Yeah, back at Athens to tell you, it's been a long time, but I know we like these bikes, man. Really, man.
To be honest with you, Mr. Park, you got a lot of stuff here that just ain't sitting right with me. Okay.
A lot of stuff just doesn't add up.
What? With the bicycle?
Yes, sir.
Here,
Yeah.
and you just never come back and got it, and you just suddenly remembered 10 months, a year later about it.
Yeah. Hey, I told them, I come up, I asked the man, I said, look, I told somebody the next day. Like when I left it, almost that night. It was almost that night. It was like nobody here, you know, as far as like the wind office and whatnot. See, they done moved the wind office. But the next day I came and I let somebody know. I was like, hey, this is my bike, man. I'm not letting you come. They can move it, make sure you straight. Put it right there. Because I didn't want to
You get in the same code that
exactly.
you're trying right now.
Exactly.
It's not working.
It's right here. Bike of Athens and
All right, so you're homeless, but where do you primarily stay at?
University Oaks.
University Oaks, so
Yeah.
what made you come down to the east side then?
So I was out here for 5 years almost, you know.
Gotcha. And so what brought you to this neighborhood again?
Like right here to this neighborhood?
Yeah.
In the first place? Or you
Yes.
mean like tonight?
Yes, right now. What brought you here right now?
I saw the boxing. Like I
Well, how did you see the bicycle before you got here?
Because I was walking up the street.
Why were you?
I was going up the street. I wasn't coming up here. You can see the damn bike on the sidewalk, man. I parked it here. You know what I mean? Y'all tripping.
You parked it here a year ago, right? This is the first time you've been to North Avenue in the year that you parked the bike here?
No.
But it's the first time you saw the bike here, right?
Like second.
Okay.
Matter of fact, it's the third time.
So why did you get
The first time, I really didn't pay no attention, you know? I thought about it, but it's like, it wasn't, you know, like, it didn't hit me like it hit me, you know, this the second time. And
Gotcha.
The third time, the maintenance guy was here. So I came on in to talk to him.
That's your bike?
No, hey.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir,
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen,
Put your hands behind your back.
I put that
Hold on.
back here.
Take the bag off.
Yes,
take
it's on the bicycle.
Take the bag off.
1909, Timothy Park.
Take the bag off.
Really, sir? Really? Yo, that's not his bike, man. Can y'all please call Bike of Athens? Dude, really? Man, really?
Sir, can you come here for a second?
This bike been here for a year. The maintenance guy just told me, y'all. Come on, that the bike was sitting here for a year. Hey, listen, my name is Timothy Park.
It's been here for a year. I never
I parked it here. Remember, I gave you the pin.
We're fine. We're
Dude, I gave you the code.
Hey.
They came the next day.
We're taking him to the car.
Don't do that shit, man.
Take him to the
That's
car.
my bike.
Take him to the car.
Hey, sir, that's
No.
my bike, bro.
We will figure it out.
No, hey, listen, I gave you the code. Why he can't prove that it's his bike? And I'm telling y'all, that's my bike.
Hey.
What the fuck?
Search him. We gotta
What the
search him
fuck?
before we put him in the car.
Yo, how y'all gonna do that?
Calm down.
Man, that's my bike. I swear to God,
calm
bro.
down.
Listen, hey, call Bike of Athens. Dude, where did you get the bike from? Lee. I parked it there that night. Truthful. See?
Calm down.
Hey, just put your
You
gloves.
see?
I got him. Put your gloves on.
Come on, bro. The code on the back of that thing and everything, man. Why you doing that, yo? Bro, I got beat
Sir.
up at the ATM
Sir.
by the police already.
Do you have anything to the prick because of
No,
your sadness?
man, that's my bike. Y'all just gonna throw me in cuffs and shit, and I'm with the bike. Hey, you can't help me. You can't help me. Really? And I talked to the maintenance guy, yo, bro, you can't do nothing.
You just hang tight right there for a
Help
second,
me,
bud.
brother. Man, they whooped my ass at the ATM machine, man. You can't help me. And you know, I came in, I told you. I told you just like it. What happened?
Possible.
Don't go out like that, bro. I need you, man.
Is it good?
I need you. I need you to be honest, man. That's not his bike, I swear to God.
We'll figure it out.
I swear my head for God, man.
Watch your head.
Listen to me, please. If you can call Bike of Athens,
We will figure
he
it
was,
out.
he was right there.
We will figure it out. Put your feet in the door.
The girl that just came by in the blue shorts, she was there.
Watch your head.
Why you don't believe me?
Is this going to be a problem? Because now he knows, you know, where I
Could you put the code in for me?
information.
Okay.
Could you walk through with me real quick? You don't want the bike, so
Yeah. You get his information?
I'm getting it now.
All right. We appreciate that, sir.
Yeah, no problem. That bike's like 9 years old. I don't really know anything about, where my dad got it. I don't really know much about it.
All right. What's your name?
Ryan. And then last name BUDZYNSKI.
Date of birth?
October 26, 2004. 10/26/04.
You got a good phone number?
609 969 2787.
And you live here?
Yeah.
What apartment do you live at?
Number 56.
You get a good phone number for him?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind just real quick? I know I saw you unlock it with the cord. Do you mind just locking it back up and locking it?
Yeah.
Unlocking it for me real quick. Or yeah, you go ahead and just get that video for me.
You gonna video it? So locked, obviously. Locked. Okay.
Alright. And do you want to press charges?
What's up?
No problem.
Well, do I have to like go in and or something? What do I do?
You just say you press charges. Press charges. Nothing.
Nothing happens. I don't have to like appear anywhere, show anywhere, or do anything like that.
Very unlikely.
Okay. Then sure. Yes.
Okay.
Do you need anything else from me?
Not that I don't think so, but I got your phone number.
Okay.
So
Cool. So I'm good to go.
yeah.
All right. Thank you guys.
So you got everything you need from that? Oh, ask him how much it costs for a bird.
Yeah. Ballpark.
How much you would value it if he doesn't?
How much would you value it at?
Oh, that thing's so old. It's a piece of junk. I mean,
What would you value it at? $100.
yeah.
10-4 meeting. It's over $100.
So what we're going to do right now is we're going to try to see if we can get the original caller to come back here. They're the person who, I know they drove away, but it's just to strengthen our case. So she's able, whoever it was, male or female, who originally saw them, they're able to just get them out of the car. We'll just have them drive by, or we'll work something out.
Okay, so just ask Central if they can get them towed.
All right. Yeah, we appreciate it. So thank you.
So, what were steps would have been if that guy didn't come out like, hey, that's my bike? Wait for maintenance.
We could, yeah.
That, and I don't know if you want.
Good. Thank you. Yeah, so it's fine. We have everything we need. We got a description, black male, blue shirt, drawstring bag.
With a beard.
Yeah. She also was able to identify the bag, or not the bag, the bike, which was neon yellow. So it was just an extra step that would have been nice.
I don't know if you want to see this, but the code you talked about, that's the model of the bike.
So, and we'll debrief after we understand.
He was trying to put that code in. That's the model.
Yeah. And you got a video of the owner being able to lock and unlock the bike?
Yeah, twice.
Perfect. All right, so what are our charges?
Criminal attempt just by taking misdemeanor.
What else? And this goes back to what would happen if we were unable to prove who owned the bike. Where does he live? More importantly, where does he not live?
Here.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I work for the property. Do you need me to call like a manager or something?
Yes. Do you mind calling and we can get this gentleman barred?
Yeah, absolutely. You want me to, let me call my boss.
Third, the charges. Georgia OCGA, Section 1, 683 theft by deception, requires that the defendant knowingly create a false impression in another's mind to obtain property. OCGA, Section 1641 requires a substantial step toward that offense. The prosecution's theory. The subject's false ownership claim was the deception, and his attempt to take the bike was the substantial step. Both elements appear satisfied by the physical evidence. However, the word knowingly is the central battleground, and it connects directly to the most powerful potential defense in this case. Fourth and most contested, the mistake of fact defense. Under OCGA, Section 1635. A person's genuine, reasonable mistake as to a matter of fact is a complete defense if it negates the intent required to establish the offense. If the subject sincerely believed the bicycle was his, and that belief was reasonable given his account, the knowingly element of theft, by deception, fails. The prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he knew the bike was not his. The failed combination attempt is damaging, but it is not proof of knowledge. A changed lock, a misremembered code, or a similar-looking bike can each explain it without fraud. The critical unresolved issue is the named corroborating witnesses. The subject identified maintenance employee Michael Adams by name and a second female witness by physical description. Neither was located or formally interviewed before the arrest. Under Brady v. Maryland 1963. The prosecution has an obligation to disclose material exculpatory evidence. If Michael Adams confirms the subject's account that the bike had sat unclaimed for nearly a year, and he had given conditional permission to take it, the knowing deception element becomes very difficult to sustain beyond a reasonable doubt. The pre-arrest failure to contact these witnesses is the case's most significant procedural gap.
Hey Jules, how are you doing today? I'm doing pretty good. So I'm standing in front of two officers, and they have an issue, not with me, but with something I have no knowledge of, and I just came up to them and here you go.
Miss Jalissa?
Hi, real.
I was Officer Waller at Athens Police Department.
Hi.
So
Waller, you said?
yes, ma'am. We got a call about just a passerby that saw an individual wearing a blue shirt and a backpack, a black male blue shirt backpack, trying to break into what appeared to be a bike. We got on scene and we were able to find and apprehend this gentleman on your property, and we were wondering if you would like to have him barred.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Next 2 years, please.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the phone right here, just let him know, and we'll just get your information real quick, and we'll get it taken care of, okay? You go ahead, Miss Jalissa.
Miss Jalissa, your maintenance guy that drives the white truck and the white van.
Hey, Mr. Parks, just listen to what Miss Jalissa has to say, okay?
Okay, I talked to
Just
him before
listen.
I came on your
Sir.
property.
Miss Jalissa,
and
you just go ahead and let him know.
He remembered when I left the bike. You know, I remember this gentleman who owns the bike, Mr. Jalissa. I
Parks.
wasn't trying to steal. I don't steal.
You're the manager of Newberry Properties. I would like to bar for the next 2 years.
All right, thank you very much, Miss Jalissa. Do you mind just giving this officer your information, just your name and date of birth? We can figure out the phone number from the Newberry, okay?
That I had permission to try and get the chain off the bike.
Okay.
That man
All right, Miss
told
Jalissa,
me
let me-
to take the chain off the bike. And he worked here.
And is this an awkward person I'm speaking with now?
Yes.
So, I do want to, because he's saying we have a maintenance man with a white truck Now, I don't know if it's the same maintenance man, because we did have a maintenance man with a white truck who now has a van. Can I just call him to kind of figure out what this guy is talking about? I don't want to reverse the barring. I'm fine with that. But,
Okay. Let me get your information
to know
first.
somebody on my staff. Yeah, that's fine.
What's your last name?
Lane, Lane.
Okay. Can I get your date of birth?
8/23/96.
Okay.
Yeah, and you're free to do that, Mr. Lissa. That the owner, we were able to speak to the owner of the bike, and they were able to confirm they were the owner, and they at no point gave this gentleman we're out with any permission to take or otherwise try to possess the bike. So if you want to speak to your maintenance employee about that, you're more than welcome to.
Okay, and what's the guy's name that's right there?
The gentleman we're out with, his name is Timothy Parks.
Okay, yeah, I'll just ask my maintenance man if he knows anything about him.
Okay. Well, we appreciate it, Miss Julissa. We're gonna get out of your hair as far as the property. And if you need anything from us in the future, just give us a call, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So he is barred from location, so if he comes back at any point, give us a call.
What?
He's barred from location, so that at any point he comes back. No, he's barred from location.
Oh.
So if the person that's going to jail. When he gets out and he comes back to this location, just call us, he'll go back to jail.
I'll tell you.
I'll work on the ABR. Let's go ahead and just get out of here. You call, get on the radio and we'll speak to the female who called if she doesn't want to meet and just get some information again further about what she saw.
Timothy Parks was arrested and charged under OCGA, Sections 164, 1 and 1683, and barred from the property for 2 years under the manager's authority. The bike was valued at approximately $100. Case resolution is unknown at time of analysis. All suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty. Officer Waller receives a B+. The investigation was patient and methodical. The on-camera lock demonstration was excellent evidentiary practice. The sole grading deduction, named exculpatory witnesses were not contacted before the arrest, creating a procedural vulnerability that defense counsel will exploit. Timothy Parks receives a C. His account was detailed and internally consistent with either truthfulness or skilled fabrication. The failure to unlock the bike is the most damaging single fact. His shifting timeline and admission to having acquired a replacement bike weaken the ownership claim. However, if Michael Adams corroborates his story, the C may be generous, not too lenient. The property management receives a B+. The cooperative response and property bar were appropriate. The maintenance man's availability on the day of the incident was not leveraged before the arrest decision was made. 3 lessons. 1. The mistake of fact defense is not a technicality. It is a constitutionally grounded principle that requires the state to prove a defendant's mental state, not just their actions. Under OCGA, Section 1635, genuine belief in ownership is a complete defense to theft by deception. 2. Naming exculpatory witnesses before arrest is not just tactically smart, it triggers the state's Brady obligations and shapes the entire prosecution. 3. On-camera evidence of ownership demonstrated in real time is among the strongest forms of proof available to street-level law enforcement. Officer Waller's decision to document the lock demonstration twice was textbook. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.